How to add or remove C translation option on Instagram bio. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can add or remove C translation option on Instagram bio. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Instagram automatically adds the C translation option to bios and caption when it detects text written in a language different from viewers' default language settings. While you cannot directly toggle this feature on or off, but to enable the C translation option, there are two different ways. First one, you can use a different language in your bio. Write your bio in a language that is not default language of most viewers. Example, use Spanish if your audience typically uses English. Now the second method to enable C translation option is to go to your language settings, and then for that go to settings, go to account and then language, and then select a language other than your default, which make your bio eligible for translation if it differs from the selected language. To add translation or to add your bio, all you have to do is navigate to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon and then go to edit profile, and there's the small bio link or bio text box where you can add your bio. Now to remove the C translation option, there are three different ways. First one, you can write default language of your audience. If most of your audience uses English, write your bio entirely in English. The second method, to remove special characters or mixed language. You can combine multiple languages or using special characters can trigger the C translation option. Stick to one language. The third method is to simplify your text. Ensure that the text doesn't have phrases or slang that could be misinterpreted as another language. So in this way, you can remove the C translation option. And that's how you can add or remove C translation option in your Instagram bio. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.